10 reasons Bitcoin crashed today and why she may even go lower, all based on astrology for men. Outside our channel of Eternal Monotony, and has carved out a cute little bear flag whose price probability is, and sing it with me now. Oh, you take the pole, you slide it all, the breakout point, and then we're all at 58.7-ish. Snap! The 50s. Gross. Looks like the 50 moving average is about to cross bearish over the 200, which is something we haven't seen happen since way back in January, which saw 11% drawdown before it regained its nards and rallied back up. And where would an 11% in narding take us from here? Well, that's way down at 56.4-ish. Our channel of Eternal Monotony support line, and because the old wives' tale, that which once wicked will get candlesticked, is the most accurate trading signal ever created. I'd be remiss not to point out this little bad girl back here, which is dying to be candlestick down at 58.7-ish, which is oh snap, where our bear flag on the 4-hour chart plays out to, so there is double bearish word score at that level. But if, and I say if, we can get to and above that level, we'll likely see continued bearish action, perhaps to our bear flag play out of 58.7. We could retest this channel of descension support way down at 59.1, and who knows, maybe even leave a wick to the 78.6% fib, down at 57.2, planted firmly in the gross 50s. So there's almost zero volumatic history here to hang our hats on. And if we don't see an instant recovery today, it's the humble opinion of this piano that will see a rip your face off dip back down to retest support at EGADS 51.8. Really is the next layer of support outside of a complete market turnaround and a V-shaped recovery, which could also happen. Although one more bearish thought to squeak in. We've gone on and on ad nauseum for weeks now about how many times a 30% pullback in a bull market is absolutely normal. In fact, we saw at least half a dozen in the last bull run, and so far, if you can believe it, we've only had a 23% drawdown so far. And where would a textbook bull market 30% drawdown take us? Well, that would be at EGADS 51.8, our Bearish Express elevator support line. So there's triple word score at that bearish level. And carving out this cute little bear flag, whose price probability is, and sing it with me now. Oh, you take the pole, you slide it all, the breakout point, and then we're all at 50.2-ish. Shut your mouth. That would put us underneath our next channel of Eternal Monotony support, which is at 51.8. Bearishing golfing candle, a candle that signals continued bearish momentum. A candle that closed right at the 23.6% fib. Next stop on this bearish momentum, could see the 38.2% fib come into play, down at 54.3, but some dicey fibs we may or may not catch some bounces on are at first the 50% fib down at 60.5. Failing that, we have the loving arms of the Siggity 1.8% fib, the goldenest of golden ratios. And if she's so darn tootin', we could see 58.2. Eek, it's Bearish heading to the dinner party. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if she didn't hold and we dip down to retest our channel of descension support line down at 57.2. Well, I suppose we should see where a 15%-ish dump from here would take us, and that would be, oh snap, egads, 57K-ish. Gross. That's the dastardly 50s again, and pretty close to retest the 200 moving average, so there is a double word bearish score at that level. Is that a data alert already? Yes, it is. Looks like the 20 and the 50 moving average have crossed bearish over the 200 moving average, and the last time we saw this happen was way back in April, which led to a 13% drawdown before crossing back bullish 30 days later. And where would a 13% drawdown from here take us? Well, that would be egads. 58K. Failing to hold these levels would put us back into our old channel and could see us retest its support way down. 58K, which is, oh snap! That 13% drawdown we talked about back on the 4-hour chart. Bearishly speaking, we still have this channel of descension support line that could get tested down at 58K, which is also the 50% fib, so there is some bearish double word score at that level.
Make sure you like and subscribe and share the